Do you want to create awesome talking avatars like me with proper lip syncing?
Or do you want to create a realistic talking photo avatar like me with realistic facial expressions?
Or maybe you want to create an AI news channel like this.
Yes, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create awesome talking avatars like this and take your AI channel to the next level. If you run a faceless YouTube channel or want to start one, then you know how important an avatar is for making great engaging content. Not only do they help you create a brand or identity for your channel, but they also help you make engaging videos with a little bit of a human touch to keep viewers engaged and not make them feel like they are watching AI generated jargon. But here's the truth, animating with proper lip syncing is a bit complex and required very powerful systems. But no need to worry, because I will show you a tool through which you can animate any characters with proper lip syncing or even generate ultra realistic AI avatars like this for free. I am going to show you every single step in detail, so make sure you pay very close attention. Now, without any more delays, let's get started. The name of the tool is Vidnoz. I have been using this tool for a while now, and I must tell you, it is just amazing. To get started, simply click on the link in the description, sign up using your email ID, and you will see an interface like this. You can see it is pretty simple and straightforward. First, you can see there are some trending templates that you can use to get started with your video. Next, it has the ultra realistic AI avatar options. You can see all the avatars look incredibly realistic, and you can just choose the one you like. Then we have the talking photo avatar option. You can select any of the pre-made templates, or you can upload your own picture. I will show you every option in detail. Let's start with the ultra realistic avatars. You can select from the available avatar options here, or you can click on the See All button to view all the available avatars. As you can see, there are so many different avatars available. You can go through all of them and select the one you like. You can also filter the avatars by clicking on any of these options. Once you find the perfect avatar, just click on it. After that, from here, you can change the language if you want. I will just keep it as English. Next, in the Edit Avatar section, you can make some adjustments to the avatar. You can change the view from here, and you can also change the voice character and adjust the voice settings in this section. I will just keep everything at default. Next, if you hover over the Create Video with Avatar button, you will see some options to select the desired aspect ratio. I will select the 16:9 option, and then it will take you to the main editor. From here, you can do all kinds of editing. On the top, you can see there are various options. First, in the avatar section, you can change the avatar if you want. As you can see, all the avatar options are available here. Next, you can also add any texts if you want, and you can also add different shapes from this section as per your needs. Now, to add a background, just click on the background option then. From here, you can either choose from the available options or upload your own background. Let's select a background from here. I'm looking for something formal, so I will click on this office option and choose one I like. Let's use this one, and as you can see, it has blended perfectly with the avatar. Doesn't it look awesome? Now, if you want more control, you can add a green screen as the background and replace the background while editing your video. To do that, click on the Detach option and press Delete on your keyboard to remove the background. Then click on this color box and change the background color to green. But for this video, I will just use the background from the available options. Next, you can also add stickers, images, or videos if you want from these options. And now let's give it some text to generate the lip sync video. As you can see, there is a default script here. I will remove it and add this script. You can also upload your own voiceovers from here if you want, which I will show you in a bit. And from here, you can select the perfect voice character. As you can see, there are multiple different options available. I will choose this one. Next, you can change the pitch, speed, and volume from here if you want. I will just keep it at default. After that, you don't need to do anything else. Just click on Generate and it will start creating the video. It will take a bit of time, so be patient. And here is the output.
Hello and welcome to WealthWise. We've just hit 10,000 subscribers. Thank you for all your love and support. I never imagined reaching this milestone so quickly. From being an engineer to working in sales to this, the journey has had its ups and downs. But I finally feel like I'm where I belong.
Wasn't that absolutely amazing? It was very realistic. You could see some body movements as well, which makes it even more realistic and authentic. This is just great. And now let's try one more, but this time I'm going to give it my own voiceover that I generated. To do that, click on Upload Voice and upload the voice clip here, then click on Generate. Here is the output.
Hello and welcome to WealthWise. We've just hit 10,000 subscribers. Thank you for all your love and support.
That was also awesome. I'm telling you guys, if you use these kinds of realistic avatars, then your videos will be more engaging, which will result in more views and watch hours. And now let me show you how you can use one of these templates to create your own news channel. First, you need to select a template that you want from here. And if you want more options, just click on this See All option. As you can see, there are hundreds of different templates to choose from. I'm going to choose this one for this video. And now let's edit this a little bit to make it our own. First, I would like to change this text. So I will double click on it to change the text. It is that simple. Now you can also add different kinds of animations from here. As you can see, there are multiple different animations available with lots of control. Basically, you can edit this however you like by exploring all these available editing options. Now you can give it a script or upload your own voiceover. I'm going to upload this voiceover. Now for the next scene, you can put the footage or images of the actual news and edit everything as I have shown you. Once you are done with everything, just click on Generate and let the AI do its magic. And here is the output.
Good evening, viewers. Today, we're celebrating an incredible milestone in the digital world. The YouTube channel WealthWise has just reached 10,000 subscribers.
As you can see, it looks awesome. Now you can create different kinds of news using these tools, whether it's sports news or entertainment. And now let me show you how you can create your own talking avatars. To do that, simply click on Upload My Photo from here and upload your image here. Next, you can give it a name. Then you can also remove the background if you want, which is awesome. Then click on Next. Now all you need to do is give it a script or upload your voiceover like I did and click on Generate. And here is the output.
Hello and welcome to WealthWise. If you have made it this far into the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Wow, that was really awesome. Now just imagine the kind of content you can create using this tool. You are only limited by your imagination. Trust me guys, people are making tons of money by creating AI videos like this, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I'm always here to help you guys. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.